In today's video, I'm going to talk about overall shotgun length and is it important? Let's get started. And if you guys could, please give the channel a like and subscribe. It helps me out, helps the channel out, and lets me know that you appreciate the content that you're receiving. Let's say you've already done a little bit of waterfowl or you're just starting out and you've been using a pump for a long time and you're looking to get a semi-automatic shotgun. What you're looking for is optimal distance. You've noticed that the geese and the ducks are flying super high, they're not coming into the decoys, and you're having problems hitting them. So what are you looking for? You're looking for a semi-automatic with optimal distance. So that means you're gonna be looking at getting a 28-inch barrel. Do all 28-inch barrel semi-automatic shotguns measure up exactly the same? I'm here to tell you, they do not. Let's look at 3 different shotguns right now that I own, and I'll show you the overall distance to each one. Now, I'm not gonna do any measurements with extended chokes inserted into them. I'm just talking about the factory barrel length. This is the Brownie Maxus 2 Wicked Wing. Now this one has a 28-inch barrel. Let's see if it lines up. You see right there, 28 inches. Next, let's look at overall length. I'm gonna do it right from the end of the butt all the way to the end, 49 inches. That is the overall length of the Brownie Maxus 2 Wicked Wing with a 28-inch barrel. Next, we're gonna look at the CZ1012. The CZ1012 barrel length is right at 28 inches. The CZ1012 overall length, 49 inches. And finally, we have the Mossberg 940 Pro. This is the field edition. It comes in black. I did wrap it, but I bought it with a 28-inch barrel. Now let's take a look, see if it's 28. 28 on the dot. Now let's look at the overall length of the Mossberg 940 Pro. 48 inches. So somewhere between here and right here, you are losing an inch. Now, if you don't believe me, I'm gonna put this right next to each one of those shotguns to prove that this is an inch shorter in length. And to prove there's nothing on the floor, I'm gonna slide my feet back and forth like that. First off, we have a 940 Pro with the Brownie Maxus 2. You can see right there, there is an inch difference in height. Next, I have the CZ1012, and here is the Mossberg 940 Pro. You can see there again is an inch difference. Right here we have the Mossberg and the Brownie. They both have their factory chokes installed. Now, the Brownie has an extended choke, while the Mossberg does not. Now, say they're both full chokes, you can already see the difference right here in length. That's almost about 2 inches right there. So this Brownie will outperform this Mossberg in distance and pattern. I know some of you are probably saying, how can that be? Well, measure yours out. Not every Mossberg is made the same. There's different models. But this Mossberg 940 Pro Field Edition is an inch shorter, and my other son has a Mossberg 930, and I already measured that out. It's exactly the same size. It is an inch shorter than my other shotguns that have a 28-inch barrel. So what does that mean? Well, it means your distance, your impact, and your shot pattern is different. When it comes to distance shooting in waterfowl, it is a game of inches. Now, if you own this specific model of the Mossberg 940 Pro, you know it doesn't come with extended chokes. How do you fix the problem? Well, there's options. You can either shim up the butt, or you can put a butt pad on, which will change the feel, or, of course, buy an aftermarket choke tube. Now, if you're looking to make up those 2 inches that you're missing with your Mossberg 940 Pro or your Mossberg 930, you are in luck. There is aftermarket chokes that make up those 2 inches. And I'm gonna show you one of them right now. And that is the Muller 930 and 940 for the Mossberg UFO. Now let me explain this UFO choke. Now if you're looking to shoot geese and ducks at 60 yards plus, this is the choke you want. If you're looking to shoot those big 3 foot to 3.5 foot Canadian geese, this is the choke you want. Also, turkey hunting, this will give you the impact for shooting turkeys. This is the one you want. Now let's compare this choke to 2 stock Mossberg chokes that I have. This first choke right here, this is from my Mossberg 940 Pro. It is a full choke, it is not extended. Now this one came with the barrel for my Mossberg 930. It is extended and it is a full. And now we have the Muller UFO for the 930 and 940. Let's look at the quality. We don't even need to look at that thing. You can see right there the difference in thickness. This is going to give you more distance and a better pattern, while this one right here will not, and this one right here will not. It's a lot thinner. So if you're getting a Mossberg 940 Pro or a Mossberg 930, just take all their chokes they gave you with it, toss them in the trash. Buy something better like the UFO or one of their many chokes that they offer. So I put the UFO choke on my son's Mossberg 930. Why not the 940 Pro? Well, my other son's 940 Pro, that full choke is stuck in it and it is not coming out. So couldn't put it in that. But I do know that the Mossberg 930 is the exact same height as the Mossberg 940 Pro. Now I'm gonna line this up against my Browning maxus 2 Wicked Wing with a UFO choke in that gun too, and see if it's the same, or see if this is shorter, or maybe it's even taller. Let's take a look. We have the Browning maxus 2 Wicked Wing with a UFO choke in it, and then we got the Mossberg 930. You can actually see the Mossberg is now slightly longer. And there it is. We can now say that not all guns are made the same, and some are missing some length, but of course, you can buy some chokes to fix that problem. It's the same thing in your life. When you are missing your opportunities and you're missing your goals by 1 or 2 inches, you put your faith in Jesus Christ, guess what? He's gonna give you those 1 or 2 inches. Now, if you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe, and join me on Facebook. I have a Facebook page. I answer everybody. Post whatever you want, as long as it's with hunting and fishing and giving glory to God. Until next time, God bless you, and have a great day.